We got a 1 minute trend as well. It's smacking into. And this 1 minute key level here. If we want to take a little aggressive trade here, there is a potential option. We could take shorts at 25,176 here. So candle low of this green candle. So shorts at 25,176. This would be an aggressive play because what we would see is we got this massive push to the downside. We pushed right back above this 1 minute trend. And if this candle flips to red, we can see maybe more selling pressure and then more of a continuation to the downside. So that is a potential move that we can take here. But if buyers would decide to just rip this up, then obviously we wouldn't take it. So it would be a break below candle low of this green candle here. But if market decides to keep pushing, then depending upon this candle, if we get some selling pressure. If this candle closes below previous candle, this looks good for a short at 25,176. I have a limit order at these lows here too, guys. Again, not even half size. I'm going pretty light here.
Stop filled.
All right, I got filled. Let's see if we're not going to get some wick and we just get some price action. I do like how we got that sell-off. Again, stop loss is going to be candle high here. So stop loss at 25,220. Again, I don't have a hard stop there. But again, so far looking pretty good. Take profit. We can do 25,118 here. But hopefully get some good PA. We're not going to get wiki. Like so far, just looking wiki. I'm not going to add either because, again, this is just the first trade of the day. So there we go. Let's see if we can get some sell side here. It's trying, but again, it's just price action. Can we get the volume here? And it's what's funny is this wall right here, this 1 minute trend is not even that strong of a wall here. So it should break. There it goes. There we go. Nice. All right, I'm saying I'm going to kill right
Order
there.
filled.
I'm out right there, guys. I'm out right there. I just want to smack into that VWAP right there. But yeah, that was a very quick first trade of the day. I just want to get my feet wet. Get my feet a little wet. But I'm liking it. I just got out because we were smacking into VWAP in the 200. So, pretty simple first easy trade for the day. Obviously, going to take a lot more. 2-3 more trades here. That was my entry and exit. I'm up about, it was only one NQ, guys. So I'm up about $435 so far on the day. Actually, that was an insane TP too. Oh, here, let me get Nick up. Oh, you got it? Cool. Oh, Future King, come on, brother. So technically, we still haven't even broke this 1 minute key level. I mean, we kind of did, but it's still now what's happening is we're still just chopping between this zone at 25,198, which see how we're not being able to close above this, and then low VWAP. So if we can close above 25,195 here, or 198, excuse me, then we'll probably see more continuation to the upside. But again, that was a very, very good TP, guys. Very good TP on my end. I just saw, you know what? We're hitting VWAP. Let's just kill the trade. And what's actually insane, I posted my exit. My exit was perfect on that bottom wick, which is kind of crazy. Hey, did you get that? What are we trading? Oh, yeah, Tom, cool, sweet. Yes, 5 star. I think we talked about a few lessons ago. We'll talk about it in a second after the live trading. But if you go to the settings setup tab on the very top right hand corner, I'll show you in a little bit. If it's not this morning, it'll be in tonight's lesson. But you might just be on delay, not delayed, but like real time data or no delay data. But yeah, as of right now, the market's pretty boring. I know yesterday I missed a pretty insane day yesterday. Kind of jealous, but you know what? We just had to wait here. It's only 6 minutes in the market open here. Yep, thank you, Scarlett. That's the way you go. I feel like it's weird. So I wasn't trading yesterday, and then Scarlett and Nick were on trading, and they get some crazy PA to trade, and then I hop on, and then we get this crap of PA to trade, and I'm like, let's go. Maybe it's just glitched. So exit and log back in. Try that. But yeah, guys, I'm just waiting here. There's nothing happening with the market. We are trying to. We did kind of this. If this candle does close above 25, 199, 198, like I'm talking about, potential move to the upside here. But again, sitting on my hands, not truly liking anything just yet. Wow, this market is boring. Hopefully, we get some good price action. Let me look at gold real quick and see if it's doing anything better. Yeah, gold is in bad PA as well. We have gold's worse actually right now.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Can you hear us?
Okay, there we go.
Are
Yeah.
we having
Sorry, I
some
was just trying.
technical difficulties? I think Discord is being a little weird.
Yeah.
I bet.
But no, yeah, I can say, yeah, price action yesterday was nice, smooth, because you could tell, like, what direction they wanted to go. It didn't do none of this, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I think like I cursed the markets, bro. Like
Huh.
I hop on, wasn't on yesterday. Beautiful, come on, and then we get this.
Yeah.
What are you looking at though? Do you like longs or shorts better, Nick?
Um, Honestly, I was looking at that bounce off of, like, 157. Um, and, like, I think you were talking about it, too, like,
Yeah, I think
like, yeah, that line you got, like, around
there.
there. Yeah. I saw it bounce off of there. But also, like, 224, see, we kind of rejected off of that, too. So I feel like we're kind of, like, just stuck in between that, like, that kind of zone, 224 and 157. So I'd want to
Yeah.
see us break through,
Yeah, that level. Yeah, I like
close.
that.
Yeah, I'd want to see us, like, close through and then get, like, a little retracement for I enter. But
Yeah, I like that. And then for longs, I'm probably like maybe if we get closer to like 25 264 here and see what happens.
yeah, looking at, like, S&P and Dow Jones, they all kind of, like, started up. It looks like.
Yeah, here's ES. Yeah, ES is laggy too.
Yeah, they all kind of had a little bit of momentum up and then started pushing down. Looks like we're tapping that 224 line again and just instantly rejected off of it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a miniature wall. I won't say miniature. It's a pretty decent wall at 224 level or 240 level or 230. Excuse me. But the good thing though is if we're patient, And once we get out of this consolidation or whatever you want to call this, we'll see a move here. And once we can close, like truly close below this 1 minute trend that I have in my algo, I think we have some good moves to the downside. But I'm not going to play the break of 25,151 here, where that bounce off. I'm probably gonna wait for the close because I don't want to try to take this and then it wicks me back up and we get a liquidity sweep and we get trapped on that. So I'm not taking this break. I'm gonna wait for the close, guys. If we get below this,
Yeah, just about 3 minutes left on the first 15 candle too. So
yeah. So if we try to take that break right now, we would already been in massive drawdown. Not massive, but we would already been in drawdown. So again, that's why it's super important to wait for the close. And you'll be like, well, how do you know when to wait for the close or try to take the break? Reading price action. What is price action doing? Pretty much crap. So I would never. There's no volume. There's no reason to try to take a break on that.
wow, are we gonna come all the way back up after touching that line again?
Yeah, literally. As long as we stay below 25,198 here, this could potentially come back down here.
Yeah, I mean that's a really bearish candle forming right now.
We have to stay below 25,198. 25,198. If we don't, then this probably will come all the way back up. Which you got 50-minute time frames are gross. And that's exactly why we didn't take that break, guys. We wait for close.
5 minutes looking really bullish, but
yeah. That's why, yeah, we're trying to get above. If we get above 25,231 here, then and we close above this, then I'll start looking for a move to the upside. Yep, 100% good. Look at that. Still staying below 25,230 here. Guys, this 50-minute candle is disgusting. Look at this. There's that 15-minute candle for you. Now, if this stays above 25,198, then this looks bullish. And that's why I like zones, guys, because being able to know direction. So if we stay now above 25,199, 198, then this looks like we can get some bullish momentum. Now, if we close back below 25,198, we're still in neutral territory. All right, we're staying above it. I don't want to jinx it, though. I'm going to go ahead and take a half-size position. If we stay above 25,198 here, I'm going to go ahead and take a half-size position at 25,237 because now would be we form that higher low if we close above this. Now, if we just dump again, which literally what it's doing, then I'm going to ignore that move to the upside. Yeah, so if this closes back below 25, yeah, I keep 25,199, then never mind. All right, guys, I'm going to now we're looking back to shorts unless this comes back up. So Wow, this is some really crappy PA.
Yeah, honestly.
So we closed below that 25,198 level.
Yeah, I feel like it might bounce. Yeah, I think it could have
Yeah.
bounced off that 188. Maybe that's the retracement because we did close over.
We are still holding above the 1 minute trend though.
Yeah.
So it's actually the only bullish thing about this, guys, is this trend, this 1 minute trend here, which still makes me want to go long half, like really half size at that 25,237 level here. But the only problem about doing that is volume as well. It's bad wicks, bad market movement, and there's no volume right now in the market. But maybe at 9 a.m. we might see something. And there's no news the market's waiting for. Like let me look. Yeah, we got no news. We got existing home sales at 9 a.m. Maybe that'll help, but that's not really anything. All right, I'm going to go in really, not even half size, like extremely slight position at break 25,237 here, guys. Not like 1 NQ, again, very light position, guys. If we can get it.
Stop
See
filled.
if I can get filled here. All right, got filled. Stop loss means it's going to be candle low. I want to see if we can actually pick a direction here. Take profit's going to just be right above pre-market highs to 25,275 here. See if we can get some volume. Let's go. Nice. Boom. Let's see. I'm about to get out here. All right, I'm out of these. I'm out of those.
Yeah,
Order filled.
Let's go. Second trade. Made more money. Perfect. I just didn't want, I would say smacking into pre-market highs. Just let's get out of that. Let's go. Let's go. 2 trades in. See how we're being patient. So you guys my entry exit on that trade. There you go. I'm up about $1,000 on 2 accounts, so pretty much 2K on the day.
Are you copy trading, Will, or are you just?
Yeah, I'm just on 2 accounts though.
Yeah.
So 2 100Ks.
Nice.
I'll look for one more trade, guys. See if we can find one more good trade, and then we'll call it. Because like we don't want to overtrade now either. We took 2 trades, smacked, and I made about 1,000 on just 1 NQ. How are we all doing though? Everybody green so far? Nick, did you catch that?
Yeah. I entered like around 2:27. So.
Okay, nice. Oh, so you got in earlier than I did.
Yeah, just a little bit. I guess I figured that was the pullback to want us to go higher. So.
But look at that. I'm happy I actually killed it. I was like, you know what? Market's being weird. Look at that. We touched pre-market highs, and then we immediately sell all the way back off. Yeah, this market is crap. But see what we're doing? We're sticking to our game plan. We take profit when it's there. If you guys try to like say, no, I want more, then this is what happens. You guys would have been stopped out. Because look, the market's coming all the way back down. Like, what the heck?
Yeah, you can't hold it in this market. You got to just take the points you get.
I'm liking how we just wicked right off of 25,190 or 25,199. We're instantly pushing higher here. I'm liking that, honestly. And then see if we can get a move above pre-market highs. Yeah, I'm liking the volume of buyers stepping in here too. Let's see. We're still staying in the zone now for almost 30 minutes. It's crazy. Again, you guys don't have to take another trade if you guys are already content with your position, guys. Yep. Is gold doing something now? Scarlett, can you go take a look at gold real quick while we stay on NQ?
Yeah, let me check. Gold is ripping towards the upside.
Which means NQ might rip here to the upside in a second. They might be a lagging indicator. This could be a divergence play, and I'll talk about that in lesson later. But I'm kind of liking longs, actually. There's two ways to take. We take the aggressive approach and try to take the break on this, or we could wait for the close and retracement. But we're just still staying in the zone here. I want to take the break, but my gut's telling me to just wait for the close and be safe on this trade.
Yeah, go with the gut.
Yeah. I think gut saves me a lot more than haven't taken it. Okay, see, it's fine. You know, just if as long as you're learning. The people that are in here, if you guys missed those two trades you already took this morning, they'll be like, "Oh my gosh, this sucked." No, like as long as you're here learning why we did it, how we did it, and seeing what's going on, doesn't matter, right? Your goal is to learn first and then execute. If you're still learning and not understanding how we did that, then you're still in the learning phase, right? But yeah, there's like no direction in this market. Like, it's better not do this all day. I mean, I'm happy we did take 2 green trades. So I mean, like, if we do just get some bad PA here for the next little bit, then I mean, we can call it. But
yeah, because I mean, winning on this market is you know,
a pretty good win.
yeah. Each red candle is just like as big as the previous green candle, or vice versa. So it's like,
yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna take the break here, guys. I'm gonna wait for the close above 25,264. Cause like we can literally just tap into this again and then immediately get rejected. Gold.
cool.
Damn.
ES has the same like direction. It's just way choppier.
Oh, this break looks good though. Not gonna lie. All right, guys, I'm gonna take the break. This lake just looks so good. My break is gonna be at. It just looks like it's ready to just like volume to just spike in here. I don't know if I want to get in at 25,261 or 25,268. ES is just another ES like the S&P 500. It's just another index to trade. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go in at 25, very light again, 25,261 here. I think this can really push. The only thing that we're missing on this trade, guys, is volume. Actually, my limit's set at 25,262.25. If you guys want an exact limit order where mine's at, I'll show you guys. 25,262.25. Like, I'm liking how, like, when we get rejected, it's not immediately just selling all the back off. It's holding above, right? It's holding above, trying to make these higher highs, higher lows. So, like, we just have to get volume. That's it. Take profit.
Stop filled.
I'm going to do 25 to 30, but I want a really decent move here. Like, a really, really decent move here. But, yeah, my goodness, volume is disgusting. All right, let's get filled on these. I got filled. There we go. I really want volume to just rip this. Let's do it. Bet. Let's go. I really want more volume, though. Like, can this actually push here? All right, I'm trying to get out after this next. Okay, I'm good. I'm happy.
Order filled.
I'm good. I'm out. I'm good with that. I'm good with that move. I'm good. Just continue pushing, but I'm happy. I really don't need to stretch this. That was it. Beautiful. I'm good with that. There we go. 3 trades. Literally, we took 3 trades all green, guys. In this market, in this crap market, we took 3 trades and all green. Now, that's probably going to hit full TP, but again, I'm content. I made $370 on the trade. So 3 trades, I'm up 1.3K. All right. Now, again, I think I only really traded light today because this is my first day back since I didn't trade yesterday. So I just wanted to go in kind of light, feel my way through, figure out what's going on. Let's go. And that's kind of why I wanted to take the break, honestly. I just saw price hold up, and that was beautiful. So out of all the trades, look, let's calculate all the points, how many points we made. So let's calculate how many points we made for the day. And I was trading on 1 NQ the whole time, 1 NQ, 1 NQ, 1 NQ, and I still made 1.3. 67. So that was about a 11-point move. And then the second trade was about a 40, 56, about a 22. So 35, 60. So out of 3 trades, we made about 50 points. And 3 trades, we made about 50 points. Give or take. We are holding above 25, 260.